welcome back to Airflow's MVHR demonstration selection software. So now I want to cover firstly our Duplexbase PS range. So I'm going to select our Duplexbase PS model. I'm going to go for a PS 1100. Now, first thing it's going to do when you select this is it will ask you what the position name is, so often it will be MVHR 01, etc. But you can manually put that in. It also asks to set temperatures. So at the moment we default to these temperatures of -5 outside in the winter and summer 32, but you can change these temperatures later on in the selection, as I will show you. So because I had already entered 1000 meters cubed an hour, it's already selected the unit at 1000. But it is quite close to the edge of the fan curve there, so a more comfortable air volume for this unit is likely to be around 900 meters cubed an hour. Although, as you can see, the unit can still achieve the 1000. In terms of the external static pressure, you can adjust this and change it. It changes both on the supply and extract, but you could have slightly different supply and extract flows. So I could have 850 as an example on the supply, 900 on the extract, and I could increase the pressure on the supply and leave the pressure as it is on the extract. So you can have completely different pressures, resistances on and air volumes on the supply and extract of these units. As standard, the PS range all come with F7 EPM 155% filters on the supply side and M5 EPM 10 50% on the extract side. You can't change the filters on these units because they are stock and standard units. They come as they are, but they have the best filtration on the supply side. In terms of the heating and cooling, there's options here. You could have an internal electric preheater, an external heater. When you select this, it automatically calculates the details and puts the electric heater integral to the unit. You could also have an external heater, external electric, or water. Here it's telling me I need to add in a shutoff damper to protect the unit, so it's going to now automatically add a shutoff damper with my water coil. Once selected, it also adds a hydraulic kit, which is a valve and actuator kit, and you've got the temperatures, flow and returns here, which you can change if needed. So I'm just going to set these to 60-40 for now, but again, you can put them to any temperatures you require. The same with our temperatures here, though we selected -5 earlier, we could change that automatically, manually, sorry. And you can also set the supply temperatures, so it's defaulted to 20, but actually, if you wanted to increase that to 22, you can do. And then on the cooling side, you've got the options of water cooling, DX and heat pump. So let's go with the heat pump for now. It's going to select, and every time I select a component, it lists it down the right here, and you can click on any one of these to give you more information. So I've got my DX cooler, which is both heating and cooling. We've got a electric heater there as well in the preheater section, and we've also got a water heater. So now on the right hand side we can change or have a look at the details in more. So here I've selected the heat pump, shows us all the details both in the heating and the cooling. In the design tab, you can see we've got the unit standard is a floor standing unit, but this is where you could manually change it to a ceiling suspended model. It just takes a couple of seconds to adjust. Yep, there we go. And we could also show the supply fan on the other side of the unit. Remember, with this unit, it's flexible. You can have the supply fan on the right or on the left. The controls are all set as standard, so they are as they are. Specification details the parts. Description is for is to add any templates if you wish. Notes, you can put in any extra notes regarding the units. And there we have it, a quick selection for Airflow's Duplexbase PS range. Thank you.